Hello friends, I understand that currently there is a lot of confusion in the AquaProtocol community because of the information the team has been rolling out concerning the NFT minting and all that. All right, so there is seriously a lot of confusion right now, but then there is nothing to be confused about. These things are very simple. All right, in as much as I understand that some of their messages, their screenshots are not well explained. I understand that, so it is enough to cause confusion. But in this video, follow to the end. I'm going to show you everything. Of course, I have made a video just some minutes ago, where I explained how to do the minting of your score through the Nomis app. All right, I have shown how to do that, but then they came up and said that there is a way your wallet will, the minting or your score will look, and it will not be taken. You have to mint again and all that, and that is causing uproar in the community. But in this video, you are going to be seeing my own, so that you use it to know exactly what you are expected to do, so that you will not be confused. You will not spend your tone and at the end you didn't get anything. So this is going to be like me serving as your tight man now. Yes, tight man. All right, now let's go. The first thing I want to start with, after reading these things they posted here and show you some of the pictures, I will take you to my Tone wallet, and from there I will go to Tone Explorer for us to see how everything looks. So be patient. I will not make the video so lengthy, but then I will make sure it is simple and you will understand every down detail. Now here they said, dear users, information for those who do not see transactions or wallet balance in Nomis bots. That is, for those that when they did stuff after they minted, they did not see details which you are seeing on the screen of this video. They didn't see anything like that. All right, if you did not see any of these details, this history, you are the one that the team is talking about. Now listen, if you made a check by clicking on the score button, your result is sketched for 24 hours. That is, any changes in your wallet will be taken into account only after 24 hours. So what this simply means is that if you have done the minting and then you make transactions on your wallet, it will not automatically reflect on your score immediately. It will take effect after 24 hours. So what that means is you can come back and check. Do you understand? After 24 hours. So now let's fast forward to this place, because this is where the confusion started. Now, your NFT with a reputation should look like this, not to be confused with scam. Now, if you take a look at this picture, you are going to be seeing this. This is exactly how they said it should look like, whereby they have also made another provision here showing us that if you minted your score earlier before Aqua, I recommend checking to ensure your reputation isn't in the inactive collection. If it is, you will need to mint a new one. The old one was just for testing. Now let me explain this, right? If you take a look at this particular picture here, I believe some of these minting took place when Nomis was test running her system. Okay, the system was being test run, so everything done then was just like when we are participating in testnet. You know, testnet tokens are not real, so the minting done here, even though the person spent some tone to test run it, it was not really real. It was just for test running of the system. Okay, so if you participated in that minting of BTS, right? BTS NFT, if SBT, sorry, SBT NFT, if you participated in it and then this is exactly how your score shows. Inactive collection, it simply means that this one is not taken. All right, so like they said, it was for testing. Now these are some, even though you did a lot of transaction and you scored very very high, like you're seeing 71 here, but yet it is inactive. It is inside an inactive collection. It simply means that it cannot be taken. All right, so now I will be taking you to my wallet. But if you look at the footnote, they say if it is, if it is, you need to mint a new one. You need to mint a new one, because prior to AquaProtocol, everything you did has been taken as test. So for you to qualify to receive these AquaX points, you need to mint a fresh one on the Nomis. And then when you do that, let me show you how it's supposed to be. Now this is going to be like practical. That is, just take my phone now as it is your phone, so because I'm going to show you everything. Let's go. Right in my Tone Keeper wallet. Okay, if you check, don't forget, this is exactly what I showed you in my other video where I explained how to do it. This is the same wallet. I have not changed it. If you take a look, you will see my score minted. Are you seeing it here? My score minted. But that is not what I want to show you. Now let us go. If you look down here, you will see collectibles. This is where you see your collectibles, your NFT, whatever. All right, non-fungible tokens. This is where you see it. So this is where I want you to know whether you got it right or you need to do something right. So when you click on these collectibles, you are going to see the NFT you minted through Nomis on Tone blockchain. So let us open it. If you open it like this now, you can see that it looks like the one he posted there. All right, I mean the team posted there. All right, still showing Nomi Stone score, unverified NFT, and then every other thing about it: property, Tone blockchain, chain ID, my score, which was 14.9. You saw it there. All right, calculation mode, Tone, score type, finance, timestamp, and every other thing. But then if you are not satisfied, let us go so that you can also see. Let us go to the Explorer so that we can also see what he was talking about in that platform. Now if you come here, you are going to be seeing something very interesting. Okay, and here is where you see active. Just look here. I hope you're seeing where I'm pointing. Yes, this is active, meaning that my minted score is active, is is not inactive. Okay, everything, if you take your time and read through your own, you will see that everything here is exactly what is needed for this test or quest to be totally completed. All right, everything that happened, how much I was charged, and everything, the score I minted, as you saw in the wallet, is also here. So this is the block explorer. Everything I've been doing in this wallet can also be reflected here. I can also go to transaction here and see some of them: NFT, item, code, method, every other thing. This is just the history and is here. But the most important is, when you finish, please come back to this place and check if your score is active. Check here. All right, check. In fact, I'm going to mark it now so you see it. Right, check if it is active, and then be very very sure that you have done the right thing. If you're part of those who did it earlier, before now, still come back here and check whether the one you have is in inactive collectibles or collection. If it is not, good. But if it is those that are inactive, please, you need to retry and get it right. Don't forget that we just have a few days before the token claiming on AquaProtocol. So if you would just watch this video, practice exactly, and get ready for the airdrop. I trust every one of us, we are going to enjoy a lot of goody on this Tone blockchain. And if you don't have Tone now, just find a way to buy Tone, because a lot of tokens are going to be listing on Tone. All right, so I'll be making more videos to help you solve these problems, both on this AquaProtocol and some other projects that are coming up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that when I make a post, you will quickly get the post and watch the video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.